Hey guys, today we'll be learning how to swing a tennis ball. When you're gripping the tennis ball, you want to have your index finger over here in the middle and your other finger on the gray line. You should have a gap about the size of your index finger, or else it'll get too loose and you'll lose control of it. You also don't want to grip it too tight, which would result in you not being able to swing the ball enough. This is in swing. In swing swings the ball towards your right side, but if you want to swing it the opposite way, you do the exact opposite with the middle finger in the middle and the index finger on the gray line. This results in the ball swinging outwards. When you're moving the ball, you want to have the ball going counterclockwise or clockwise, depending on the way you're swinging it. If you want to swing it towards this side, when you're releasing the ball, you want your wrist to move this way. When you're swinging the ball that way, you want to have your wrist moving this way. Okay, now time for an example. Let's do an outswinger. Now it's time to do an inswinger. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to swing a tennis ball. Stay tuned for more cricket action.